Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Before the Prophet was born, the world lived in darkness, cruelty, and ignorance. People had forgotten their right path. When the Prophet arrived in the 12th month of Bara Rabiul Awal, he brought a message of divine light and mercy for all the creations. Prophet Muhammad Mustafa taught us the lesson of kindness, mercy, equality, and humanity along with honesty, even though as he was known as Al-Aminin, the trustworthy. On the behalf of our President, Mr. Yunus Juneja, and all the committee members of Jasne-Eid Miladun Nabi committee, I really appreciate your presence and grateful to all of you. Thank you.
આભાર અબ્દુલભાઈ નિશુદ આપ સલ્લલ્લાહુ અલૈહિ વસલ્લમના વિશે અને એમનો સંદેશો આપણા જશ્ન ઈદ નબીના સોશિયલ મીડિયાના અધ્યક્ષ અબ્દુલભાઈએ સમજાવ્યું. આપણે સૌને